Hey, I'm Dionysius from buycompanyname.com and I have already signed into my Namecheap account and I will search for my domain list. I will click here Upright Account Domain List. Then I will be able to see the list of all my domains and I will click Manage next to the domain that I want to find the authorization EPP code. I just want to mention before I continue that you cannot transfer a domain that you register or transfer already within the last 60 days. Let's continue. Click here Sharing and Transfer. Scroll down. Unlock the domain if you wish to transfer it. And then click on Auth Code on your right. They will ask you for what reason you want to transfer your domain. Choose whatever you want. And we will receive the code in our email, the one that we use to creating an account on Namecheap. Okay, I received the email and here is my authorization code. That's all from me. Bye.